Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I am showing you guys the goodies, the little gifts that they sent, and right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and as you guys can see, this is a lace closure unit. And it is a straight textured unit, but I did decide to curl it. So if you're interested in any more details, specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye! Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Yes, I feel like you guys are like, hold on, girl, we just saw a burgundy wig from you already. Where's this one coming from? Okay, I get it, girl. I get it. Well, the reason I have another burgundy wig is because I basically asked for the same wig, girl. Okay, I basically asked for the same wig, but this is definitely a complete fall look, and I gave you 2 different vibes with the same colored wig. So Now, so with this particular unit, it is a straight wig, but I did decide to curl it and to kind of give you that body wave sort of vibe with this one. So even though the wigs are basically the same, it's a different vibe with each one. I was straight, which is the natural texture of this wig, and this one I definitely curled up, and you can just kind of go with what you want to go with, honey. Okay, but anyway, so with this particular wig, it says UNice Hair Burgundy wig, lace wig, 99J, hand-tied lace part wig, pre-plucked, natural looking colored hair. And if I'm not mistaken, they did send me this unit in like 22 inches. I could be wrong, it might be 24. And I don't have I think it's 24. I want to say this wig is 24 inches. Now, this wig is available in 14 to 24 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys like the pricing. With 14 inches, it'll be $103.80. And if you get it in 24 inches, which is the length that I have, it'll be $226.20. And as far as details and specs go, let me see, girl. Okay, so all I see on here is the density, which it says 150% density. So you can only get this wig in this density. You cannot get it in any other density. This is the only density that they have available, but I'll get into what I think about that in a little bit. But yeah, you can only get in 150% density, and it says free gifts. So you will also get some goodies, and I'm pretty sure I showed you guys that those goodies at the beginning of the video, so keep that in mind as well. It says the options with the lace parting. Now this one is just a lace part. You can move it over. I moved it over just because I really want you guys to see, because initially I was going to wear it as a middle part, but I really want you guys to see that you can wear it as a left part, you can wear it as a right part, or you can wear it in the middle. It just depends on you, girl, okay? So that is a plus, even though it is, you know, you can't part it anywhere else. All you can do, all you have to do is literally adjust the wig. So if you wanna move the wig over there, girl, you can. You wanna move the wig over here, girl, you can. So it's no issue whatsoever when it comes to that. And it also, okay, so it says upgrade lace part, 4x4 ombre 99J. 13x6 is not available. Okay, so right now there is a lace shortage. I don't know if a lot of you guys know. It's not these companies' fault. It's just right now there's a lace shortage. So most of the units that you're going to receive are going to be like lace parting wigs. It's going to be like headband wigs and stuff like that. U-part wigs, because there is a lace shortage. So honey, they just working with what they got, and we just working with what we got. Okay, girl. So just keep that in mind. So far I haven't noticed any shedding and tangling with this wig. I just put it on, so this would be more of a wig show and tell, honey. When I first started doing these videos, I used to get people be in my comments just going in. So let me say, this is a wig show and tell. So I just got the wig, I just put it on my head. I haven't noticed any shedding, no tangling with this wig so far. And keep in mind, this is a straight wig. To me, straight wigs are less likely, straight and sometimes body wave, they're less likely to tangle, and it hasn't shedded on me thus far. It doesn't mean it doesn't shed, it just hasn't shedded on me yet, okay? So keep that in mind. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Now, as far as big head friendliness, I did adjust my straps. So I feel like as long as you adjust your straps, you shouldn't have any issues with it whatsoever. And if you keep seeing me look over here, like I have changed my little filming setup, so just bear with me, girl. Like I'm used to my viewfinder and looking at it, but now I'm looking at a monitor. Okay, so my eyes are bouncing. Just let me adjust. So yeah, that is pretty much that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this minute. Okay, y'all, so this is all of the hair brought to the front. That my rolls are like on display, honey, but don't worry about my rolls, girl. Okay, my husband like them and they're for dinner, okay? Okay, so yeah, that is basically that. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, would I recommend it, as well as what all I did to this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so with this particular wig, y'all, I obviously like it. I really like this wig. I like this color. This color is just my go-to fall color, like whether it's regular 99J, because this one, in my opinion, is a lot more red than your standard 99J wigs. But y'all, I just love this like burgundy vibe. Like, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you have probably seen me do this type of look, this type of color over the years whenever it starts to get cool and colder and whatever. Fall, this is just my go-to look, honey. Okay, so yeah, I definitely love this wig. I definitely love this color. I like the versatility and I like the convenience because your girl is lazy. Okay, I don't like to put in a lot of work. Like, I just don't. And like, to me, when it comes to lace closure wigs, you just don't have to put in the same amount of work that you do a frontal. Like, to me, I know everybody, the frontals is just where it's at. I get it. But when it comes to somebody that's like really, really busy, that's a mom, or that's just really busy in life, you don't want to have to do all that. I don't want to have to do all that. So I love these type of units. I know there's a lace shortage, and that's why we're doing those type of units right now. But I love these type of wigs. They're just like my go-to, honey. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. I love that it holds a curl really nicely. I simply use my curling iron to curl it up, and I use that wig spray that I've been using since I found it. I've been using that DEMERT or whatever it's called. I use that. I use my hot comb and my wax stick. All of that will be on the screen, and the wax stick is directly linked in the description box in case you're interested in it. And yeah, and it's an easy slay. Now, if you're interested in this makeup look as well, girl, okay, I did film that. That video will be out after this review. So if you are interested in that, then just check for my channel, child, because I don't know when this gonna be at. But it's just to be a quick, easy way to show you guys how I achieve this little cranberry, plummy type of vibe. And yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's just a whole look to me. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? I did definitely layer this because I just feel like everything looks better when it's layered. It just does. Like, you want to frame anything that you get, any wigs, especially straight wigs or whatever, any wigs, girl, you want to frame it to your face. So I did do that, and yeah, that's that. It's a look to me. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you feel like it's a vibe? Even though it's 150% density, I do feel like it is thick enough. Like, I don't feel like it's abnormally thick or abnormally thin. I feel like it's an entire vibe. And like I said, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what this lipstick is, because y'all be asking me about stuff like that. This lipstick that I am wearing is by Stila, and it's the Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Rubino or something like that. But anyways, like I said, I did do a whole video on this entire look in case you're interested. And yeah, y'all, that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, honey, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.